So you're well familiar with three states of matter. So we know that this is solid and this is liquid. And here I've got a balloon which is filled with gas. So those are the three states of matter that we are well familiar with. So then what is this? What is this? Well, this is the fourth state of matter known as plasma. So exactly what is plasma? It's gases where the electrons have been stripped from the atoms and it is now ionized. 99.9% of the universe is actually made up of plasma. Neon signs glow due to the plasma that's inside of them, and sometimes the temperature can be as high as hundreds of thousands of degrees. So why is it that it doesn't burn us or doesn't burn up at all? And that's because the neon plasma density is so low that it actually transmits very little energy to the surface that it touches. So this is a plasma ball, and just now I'll show it to you in a dark location so you can see how it actually looks. So here I am in a very dark room with my plasma ball. So that's me. You can see as I move my fingers around, it actually will follow it because I'm a great conductor of electricity, as all humans are. Isn't that just amazingly beautiful? Plasma at its best. The biggest plasma ball of them all closest to us is the sun. And the sun is a gigantic plasma ball which at its core, the temperatures, the density and the pressures are so intense that hydrogen nuclei are fusing together and forming helium, and in the process generating lots of energy which reaches us on planet Earth eventually. Research on fusion reactors is a lot in the news these days because we are hoping in the coming decades that fusion can be the source of energy that can serve our needs on planet Earth. And while the light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach planet Earth, guess how long it takes for the photons that are generated at the center, on the core of the sun, to actually reach out to its surface out here. That can take hundreds and thousands of years, believe it or not, and that's because of something that's called the drunkard's walk. The density is so high in the core of the sun that the light bounces around tremendously before it can actually reach the surface. So how cool is that? Or should I say, how hot is that?